I want to start with a simple question. If you had to begin making money with AI today, with no audience, no experience, and no budget, what would be the single easiest place to start? Because in 2026, there are thousands of AI tools, hundreds of side hustle ideas, and endless make money online advice. But most of it is confusing, overcomplicated, or completely unrealistic for beginners. So in this video, I'm breaking down the simplest AI side hustle that a real beginner can start this week, step by step. This is VanFox, where smart AI meets real-world wealth building. No hype, just clear strategies that actually work. Why do most AI side hustles fail for beginners? Before choosing the easiest method, it's important to understand why many beginners fail quickly. Most AI side hustles sound easy, but secretly require an existing audience, paid ads, technical skills, or weeks of setup. That creates frustration fast. Because the real goal for a beginner is not building a huge business on day one. The real goal is earning the first small dollar online. That first proof changes everything. It builds confidence, clarity, and momentum. So the best beginner AI side hustle must be fast to start, low competition, zero upfront cost, and capable of real income. And one method consistently fits all four of those rules. The easiest place for beginners to start is AI-assisted freelance writing. Not because writing is magical, but because businesses already pay for content every day. They need blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and social media captions. And most small businesses don't care how the content is created, only that it's clear, useful, and fast. That's where AI changes the game. To start this side hustle, you only need 3 simple tools. First, ChatGPT. This generates article ideas, outlines, and full drafts in seconds. Second, Grammarly. This cleans the writing and makes it sound professional. Third, Google Docs or Notion to format and deliver the final file. That's it. No website, no software cost, no complex setup. Here is the simple process a beginner can follow today. Step 1. Pick a tiny niche. Instead of offering writing for everyone, choose something small like local dentists, fitness coaches, or real estate agents. Small niches respond faster because they need help urgently. Step 2. Generate a sample article with AI Open ChatGPT and ask for something simple. For instance, write a 600-word blog post for a local dentist about the benefits of teeth whitening. Within seconds, you now have real sample work. Edit it slightly, clean it in Grammarly, and save it as a PDF. You now look like a real service provider. Step 3. Send 10 simple outreach messages. Search dentist near me or local fitness coach website. Then send a short message. Hi, I created a free sample article to help your website attract more customers. If you'd like more content like this, I can write weekly posts for a small fee. That's it. No pressure, no selling tricks, just value. Let's talk about real expectations, not internet hype. A beginner will not make thousands of dollars overnight. But something important can happen. One small client paying $20 to $50 within the first week. And that first payment matters more than the amount. Because now you know making money online is real. From there, growth becomes logical. 1 client becomes 2, 2 becomes 5, 5 becomes steady monthly income. Why this method scales with AI? Here's the powerful part. Without AI, writing 5 articles might take 5 to 10 hours. With AI assistance, the same work might take 1 to 2 hours. That changes the math completely. Because now beginners can serve more clients, work less time, and increase income gradually. AI doesn't just create content. It compresses time, which is the real advantage. There is one mistake that stops most people immediately. They keep researching instead of taking action, watching tutorials, reviews, and income claims, but never sending the first real message. Remember this, the first dollar online comes from doing, not learning. You don't need perfect skill. You don't need perfect tools. You only need one simple action repeated daily. So, what happens after the first client? Once a beginner earns that first small payment, everything changes. Because now you can raise prices slowly, specialize in one niche, bundle services together, and build monthly retainers. and eventually turn a simple AI side hustle into predictable income. That's the real goal of VanFox. Not hype, not overnight millions, but steady, intelligent wealth building using modern tools. Final lesson. The easiest AI side hustle in 2026 is not the flashiest idea, or the trendiest tool, or the most viral method. It's the one that lets a beginner start today, earn the first dollar, and build momentum. And simple AI freelance writing still does that better than almost anything else. At VanFox, we will continue exploring legitimate paths toward financial success utilizing AI tools. Subscribe to VanFox to follow that journey step by step, and join the build toward real AI-powered wealth. Because the future won't belong to the people who wait. It will belong to the people who start early.